All right, so today we've got a weird video. We're doing some data recovery, kind of. My guy here, Homeboy's old ass SSD. It's like a Corsair 256 gig from, I don't know, 1935 or something. It died. He's got some weird data on there, and he wants to see if I can get it back for him. So I'm going to try and use Linux because that's what I do, even though I don't know what I'm doing. And Windows is annoying. And let's see if I can make this thing work enough to get his files off of it. Hopefully it's just his what is it called? Hopefully it's just his bootloader, master boot record, whatever that nonsense is, just is corrupted and I can just plug it in and read it. You guys who know what you're doing are going to get mad at me for at least two reasons. You're going to get mad at me because I'm doing it all wrong, because I don't know what I'm doing. And you're going to get mad at me because of the distribution of Linux that I'm using. I'm using Manjaro because I'm lazy. And I know there's at least 45 different distributions you're going to tell me are better. Or you're going to tell me to install Arch, or Gentoo, or Linux. No. Manjaro works. I like the user repository, and screw you, I'm doing it this way. Great, take me to download. Yeah, so I mean there's going to be a lot of random cuts of me poking around, trying to flash stuff, crying some more, sobbing, and probably yelling, because that's, you know, it's like working in a car. The more profanity you use, the better it works. All right, so what I gotta do here is I gotta install Linux. My desktop's for gaming though. I don't want to deal with that on my desktop, and Gab's gonna keep yelling at me what's wrong with Windows. It's what he always does.
What's wrong with Windows?
Every single time. So I'm gonna go ahead and install it to the flash drive, kind of use it like a live ISO. Again, you guys who know what you're talking about, know what you're doing, are gonna yell at me about it, but you know, live and let learn, or something like that.
They can fight you.
So I'm gonna use a program called Etcher, Balena Etcher, I don't know. And I'm gonna go ahead and write it to the flash drive, and then we can hook it into this guy, plug this guy into this guy, and just go. Should I throw your drive around, homeboy? Yeah, dead drive's a dead drive.
Dead drive's a dead drive. It's a solid state. What are you gonna do? Hurt it?
Yeah. Have you met me?
Yes.
You should know better. So give that a few minutes and hope the drive that Gab gave me isn't trash. It's got Windows on it, so maybe it hates me. No, I'll do this one first. You know, I swear I used to be good at computers. All right, with some trial and error, I've managed to get the world's mostest, highest quality and not sketchy at all flash drive to hopefully boot off of. You know, you just kind of, nope. Oh, actually, that's right. Surprising.
Got it right the first time.
Plug it in to mash your boot location button. Hear that sound? That's the sound of computering.
Gotta hit up a whole bunch of other keys at the same time.
And he's Linuxing. And he's Linuxing.
Have to hack me back in time.
God. Didn't they make a sequel to that?
They've been trying to. It's taking an awful time. I mean, it's because I took out the CPU and put the same CPU back in. I mean, let's just see if the drive even shows up in the BIOS, because if it doesn't, then why am I even here?
This is where I reveal that it's actually just a SSD shell with some lead poured into it.
It wasn't heavy enough. Maybe
some lead.
Maybe aluminum. Dude, is it stopping my computer from booting?
Can we unplug it?
Yeah. Wait, maybe it's the sketchy. We've got too many sketchy storage devices in here.
Game Boy not complete.
Get out!
Motherboard eating virus.
Get out!
SSD. Why would you do that?
Because I don't want Mr. FBI man to know it's on my...
How dead is your drive?
New CPU installed. I took the CPU out, put it in another computer, and then put it back into this one. Why? How does it know I took the CPU out?
It knows.
Why? How did you know I took the... How did you even know? If anyone at AMD is watching this video, or at ASUS, why? How?
Huh.
I've left this computer unplugged for like a week, and it's been fine. But I take the CPU out for like a day, and it knows that the CPU was out. Alright, the drive bone is connected to the cable bone. Alright, one sketchy drive at a time. And just see if it shows up in the BIOS at all. So if your drive is stopping my computer from booting. How does that even happen? How is this even possible?
Is it possible to learn this?
This power?
What? I'm at a loss for words, guys. I was supposed to fail much later on. Not at turn the computer on. Failing at turning the computer on is just painful.
Can we try hot swapping it?
I'm terrified, but yeah, that was my next idea. Okay, let's kill it. Technically, is this hot swappable? I think maybe
I think it's actually
a BIOS setting that I might have to do, but you know. Oh, I'm stupid. No. No, it's not. This says AMD. This can't be Homeboys. So empty drives get hot plug, because I don't know which drive we're plugging, which port we're plugging into, and I don't care. Alrighty. Please live. Please clap.
He's dead, Jim.
The fact that it crashes the BIOS just blows my mind. Let's see if Windows does anything. Well, the other post you shared was sad.
It was incredibly sad.
Yeah. I was gonna make a joke. Homeboy.
I'm just breaking everything. Don't mind me.
Over all the vinyl.
I was gonna make a joke about clientele to scam, but like I was like, no, this is just straight up sad.
Yeah.
I'm gonna see this post now.
Why you go dark? Okay, no one make any sound.
I don't hear a sound.
Did you unplug the computer, homeboy?
Welding wire. Welding wire.
Time of death, 11:33 p.m. Yeah, I'm pretty sure she's just toast. Let's see it crash the BIOS one more time, just for memories, for the memory reel.
This is the drive that we put in the we put in a PC that Nolan's building. And he's just like, why won't it boot? It's not booting, guys.
I can't afford to RMA it. I need him. They want it now. Stento needs his computer now.
Stento needs his third stream PC now.
I finally got a 3090 for Stento, and it won't boot. It's just so dead.
That's just hilarious. I've never seen that before.
I had this whole thing planned out, as in I didn't have a plan. I was just going to hit buttons into a terminal and hope it worked. Can't even get to the terminal. Can't even get to the BIOS. BIOS. I keep saying it differently on purpose. Oh my god. Homeboy, what did you do?
I don't know.
How did you make a motherboard shorting drive?
Corsair, what kind of warranty you got?
I would love to send this to one of the like drive recovery companies. You know, they charge you like $200-300 to recover whatever garbage Homeboy has. But I just want to hear what happens when they try and boot from this drive, when they try and run the drive.
So at least this validates me in purchasing a new drive because that one wasn't working. Because not only is
I want that drive. We need to keep that drive.
that drive is like anti-working.
This drive is the hilarious. Watch for this.
Where's some tape? Do we have tape?
We're in a sign shop. What's your tape?
I love that meme. Okay, I need a Sharpie. Do we have Sharpies in a sign shop?
We're in a sign shop.
Yeah, but where are the Sharpies? They're going to be everywhere, so I can't
Down
see
the
them.
channel.
Huh?
Down the channel.
There you go, our sad drive.
Sad drive.
This is how we don't mix it in with the, super fancy team group RGB drives. Super easy mistake to make. All right, guys, I don't know if this is actually going to make it into a video or not. It's just going to be a sad video. But if you liked watching me scratch my head and cry a little about haunted drives, like the video, comment about how I could have saved it somehow. Send us broken crap. Just send me more broken crap. I love broken crap. Gab loves broken crap too. But, like, comment, subscribe, ring the bell, all that crap.
We're at 98 subscribers.
We're at 98 subscribers?
Yep.
Oh, what are we going to do at 100? Break more stuff?
Yeah, probably.
I love this channel. I hope you guys love this channel too.